Good Lord. How many of y'all gonna eat this like it's a diet meal? Not me. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, my people, guess what I'm going to cook today? I am going to make and show you how to make the 7-day cabbage soup diet soup. Y'all, no, I'm not on a diet. I'm just cooking it because, you know, I love soups. Really and truly, you can eat this soup anytime. It ain't just gotta be for no diet, okay? It's good, they actually say. Well, some recipes are. Well, I'm trying this recipe from Divas Can Cook. Now, the only thing that may be just a little bit different is because I don't have some of the herbs, but that's okay. But what I'm using has some of the herbs in it, okay? But I know it's gonna be good because it sounds good. The ingredients really sound good. So, I don't know if any of y'all trying to lose weight, but it might help you. But I had to kind of like cut this recipe in half because, you know, it's just me eating it. So I can't eat all this soup. I can't eat soup for 7 days, y'all. I can't do it. My stomach just won't let me do it. I just can't do it. But I will eat it whenever I can. And I guess y'all can freeze it, you know, if you don't eat it all up. You can. But like, you can double, you can triple this recipe. Okay? So let me get started. And before I do, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for Sandra Faye. Do that for me, please. And go on over there to timberlilycreations.com. I got some beautiful mugs over there. Beautiful, y'all. I mean, beautiful. 15 ounces, 11 ounces. But pretty soon it's just going to be only 15 ounces once the 11 ounces sell out. We're going on over there to timberlilycreations.com. Y'all hear Twinkie in the background? He said, yeah, support my mama's channel and buy a mug. All right, with all that said, y'all, let's get rolling. Here's the recipe right here. Y'all can go down in the description box. It's going to be there just for you. All right, I'm going to use, she said, 1/4 of a head of cabbage. I don't know if it's a big cabbage, medium cabbage, small cabbage, but this is what I did for me, okay? You can decide that how much cabbage you want. That's what I'm assuming. 1/2 cup of onions. Oh, yeah. I got a 1/2 cup of carrots, y'all. Okay, I don't know if you can use canned. Maybe you can if you don't have this. I'm pretty sure canned will be okay. Chop it up, all right? Chop the onions up. 1/2 cup of celery, chopped. Chop it up, y'all. Chop, 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 chop. 1/2 cup of bell pepper. Chop that up too and dice it, okay? And y'all, okay, we're going to be using some red pepper flakes. It said crushed red pepper, same thing. We're going to use 1/4. Okay, we're going to use garlic powder. Let me see how much garlic powder she said. With me, myself, you know, I just love garlic powder, so I may put just a little bit more. Well, she used mince, but I'm using garlic powder, okay? I may use maybe about, a teaspoon, okay? It's up to you what you want to use. And I'm going to use Italian seasoning because I don't have any basil and what else? And oregano. I don't have it, but Italian seasoning has it in there. So that's what I'm going to use right there. All right. And I'm going to use some complete seasoning. She didn't have this in hers. She didn't, okay? So I'm going to use probably about, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm probably going to use a 1/2 teaspoon on this too. All right. Dice, y'all. Dice. Okay, basil, garlic, and oregano. Diced tomatoes, that's what you want to use, all right? Now, she said 7 ounces. This is a 14-ounce can. I will determine if I want to use the whole 14 ounces or not, and you can too. I'm pretty sure it's not going to make too much of a difference. Probably just going to make it taste better. And I'm going to use some olive oil, y'all. Okay, we're going to saute these vegetables in olive oil and also the carrots. This is a good brand right here. I can't even pronounce his name. I can't even do it. I can't. And we're going to use salt and pepper. 1/4 salt and 1/4 pepper, y'all. 1/4 salt, 1/4 pepper. I'm out of it today. Let me get started, y'all. Let me tell you something. I got the bubble guts. I got the bubble guts. Ooh. Oh, I forgot this. I forgot to tell y'all. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 cups chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can probably use bouillon cubes to make your chicken broth. Okay, that's another solution. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Whatever oil you got on hand, it will work. 2 tablespoons. All right, then we're going to start adding our veggies in there. Let's put the onions in there. There you go. You know all these flavors gonna taste really good, y'all. You know when you add all this up together, man, it's awesome. It smells so good. You're gonna have neighbors knocking at your door. Girl, what you cooking up in there? What are you cooking? None of your business. Get away from my door, okay? Get away from my door. Okay. Saute these, till they get like almost a little tender. She said almost translucent or something like that, you know. I hope she's right. I hope she's right. Now, if I had some minced garlic, I would have threw it in here with the veggies, but I didn't have it. So I'm using garlic powder, so I'm going to wait until I put the chicken broth in there. Did you get that? Did you get it? Did you get it? Are you sleeping? Don't be sleeping now. You're going to have to keep stirring because you don't want nothing sticking, all right? Nothing sticky. Now, some people claim that they have lost a lot of weight. 10 pounds, 15 pounds within a week. I don't know if that's true or not. If so, I'm pretty sure this is a good diet. And I think you can eat it any time of the day that you want. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. But see, I can't do that, y'all. I can't do that. Okay? I just can't do it. Okay, I'm sorry. But y'all can try it. Y'all can try it. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have tried this 7-day diet weight loss soup. Let me know, have you tried it, okay? All right. Okay, now it's time to add the chicken broth. All right. People say, well, can I add water? Can I just use water? Well, you can if you want to, but you know what, though? The chicken broth is going to make it taste so much better. So why would you even want to use water? Okay, like I said, if you don't have chicken broth, use chicken bouillon cubes or chicken bouillon powder. Mix it up, you know, stir it up and then pour it in here. I'm telling you, you're going to want to use some type of chicken something. You're going to want to do it. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to use 1/4 of Italian seasoning. I don't want it to take over too much, all right? I don't want it to take over, you know, because that stuff can take over. Then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning. Ooh, that's my seasoning right there. That's my seasoning. And I'm going to use these pepper flakes, yeah. Okay, you got to put it in time there to cook. I use 1/4. 1/4. That's what she said. That's what she said now. That's what she said. All right, that's what she said. Okay, I gotta wipe this off because I don't want that pepper flake in my real peppers. Even though it probably wouldn't matter. Okay, 1/4 of pepper, real pepper. Now, if you don't like spicy, hey, I guess you ain't got to put it in there. You ain't got to put it in there. That's up to you. Okay, all right. And then I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right. We're going to stir that puppy up and let it marinate. Let it marinate in there, okay? Just wait a little while because I want to make sure these carrots are almost done before I put the cabbage in there. Okay, after about 2 minutes, now I'm going to put the Hunt's diced basil, garlic, and oregano. She said 1/2 can. Let me see what it looks like. 1/2 can. Let me see what it looks like. She might be right. She might be right. Let me see. Oh, that looks good. Look at that, y'all. She said 7 ounces. Oh, I didn't completely put 7 ounces in there. Let me put some more in there. Okay, it wasn't half a can. All right. Okay, yeah, I think that's good enough. That is good enough. 7 ounces, y'all. 7 ounces of that. All right. Let it boil for about, oh, I guess what? She didn't say. Maybe for about 5 minutes, okay? But me, myself, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and taste this liquor. I want to be sure that it's to my standards, all right? If it tastes good, if I need to add something else. Let me see. It's on point. It is on point. Okay, it's time to put the cabbage in here, y'all. Okay, 1/4 of a head. That's what I'm gonna assume this is. 1/4 of a head. Now, some of y'all may like your cabbage cooked very limp. You know, some people like their cabbage kind of crispy. But I don't think it's supposed to be a crispy soup, y'all. Crispy cabbage soup, okay? So you might want to watch what you do, all right? Now, we know cabbage kind of pretty much makes its own water. That's why you don't need so much, because you know this is going to cook down, all right? And I know this don't look like a lot, but like I said before, this is for me, all right? It's for me. Now, I'm going to put a pot on this now, because I want these cabbage to cook. Cabbages. It's like, why do you say cabbages? I don't know, plural, I guess. I don't know. I know it's one cabbage, but it's one cabbage head. I don't know. That's just a southern thing. Cabbages. Good doggy. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I did put this on medium. I don't want to rapid boil it. I don't want it to cook too fast, okay? All right. All right. All right, let's look at it, y'all. See, y'all, this is the way I like mine to look, okay? Not too crunchy and not too limp. Just right, y'all. Just right. Oh, let me tell y'all something. This aroma coming from this pot, this aroma make you want to slap somebody. Woo. Don't slap nobody now. You might get beat up. Or they might call the police on you. Okay. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Whew. I can't wait to put my mouth on this. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Let me tell you now. Let me tell you first. You can eat this anytime, okay? If you feel like you want to eat this with cornbread, go right ahead, okay? Because I just might do it because I'm not on no diet, y'all. I'm not on a diet. But you can have this anytime, all right? All right, let me taste it. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, this is so good. And I don't even like carrots that much, but the carrots are good in here. This girl got something going on. Divas Can Cook. That's where I got it from. I switched it up just a little bit because I didn't have all the ingredients that she had, okay? But I think either way, it'll be good, y'all. It tastes so delicious. It's good, okay? Try it for yourself. You know, it's probably even good for wintertime. You know how people eat a lot of soups and stews and stuff like that for winter? But go ahead and try it and tell me what y'all think down in the comment section. It's really good. Maybe you want to leave some stuff out because you don't like certain things. Maybe you want to add a little more salt. You know, you can if that's you. But make sure you taste that pot liquor, okay? Because whatever that pot liquor tastes like, that soup, whatever it is, that's what the cabbage and stuff is going to taste like, okay? That's what the whole thing's going to taste like. So make sure you taste it. Taste it, taste it, taste it. All right. I'm done, y'all. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Go to TimberlilyCreations.com. Do that for San Fe to support my channel. Thank you so very much, y'all. Thank you. And until next week, y'all, make sure that you come back to San Fe. See, I was about to say San Fe, the other channel, but I'm not going to say it. Make sure that you come back to Cooking